Hello everyone and welcome to Opnbi. I am Rima here. I am going to show you National Electronic Injury Surveillance System. After logging in the Opnbi, click on the hamburger menu and select the dashboard. Here you can see the list of available dashboard. Select the healthcare dashboard and open it. This dashboard is available on the marketplace. You can download from there. And if you wish how to download the dashboard, the link is provided in the description. Some of the features of dashboard are explained there in detail, like an overview, injury, diagnosis and detailed data of a dashboard. So if you wish to watch it for a better learning, the link is provided in the description. Alright, now I am showing you a detail of a dashboard. NEISS, National Electronic Injury Surveillance System. These three are button, injury, diagnosis and detailed data. It will redirect you on appropriate tab. This is the overview of dashboard. The purpose of the National Electronic Injury Surveillance System is to collect data on a consumer product related injury occurring in the United States. This is the survey of January to December 2018. Now click on the injury button to go to the injury tab. Here you can see that there are 3 KPI. KPI means key performance indicator and 4 widgets and 3 filter. Total 714 patients, in that 402 male and 312 female. Now go to the injury count by body part widget. This widget indicates that where patient got injured. Here you can see that 154 patients had injury out of 714 patients. And you can see that only 6 patients had neck injury. In injury count by location. This widget shows in which place patients injured. Most of the patients injured in the home, 433 patients. There are total 5 categories of patients like black and African American, white, Asian, American, Indian. This patient was separated by their gender. In reason for injury widget. In this widget we can see how patients got injured, like floor or flooring material, burned by hot water, fans, a food processor. It indicates the reason for the injury. Here you can see that there are 3 filters used in injury tab. Month filter, it displays the list of month. Body part, it displays the list of body part. In incident location, you can see the location where most of the patient was injured. So if you want to see particular location wise injury information, so click on the home. So here you can see the all information about the home. Total 433 patients was injured at their home. Click on the clear filter. Now click on the diagnosis button to go to the next step. In patient's injury by diagnosis widget, you can see that after injury what diagnosis done by doctor for a particular injury, like fracture, laceration, burn, poisoning. In diagnosis body part with history, it gives detailed information of body part code, body part diagnosis and history written by the doctor. Here is the diagnosis filter button. So if you want to see particular diagnosis information, so click on that. Here I want to see laceration, so click on that. Here you can see the laceration information. Total 129 patients has diagnosis of laceration. Clear filter and now go to the detailed data tab. Detailed data gives all the detailed information of the patient like CPSC case number, treatment month, sex, race, body part, incident location, diagnosis, disposition, body part code, product, age, history, and weight. There are 7 filters used in a detailed data. In month filter, you can see the list of the month. In gender, you can see the gender of patients, male, female. In a body part, you can see the list of body parts. Year filter, it display the list of year. S filter display the category of patient. Diagnosis will display the diagnosis of patient and incident location. It will display the location of the patients where patient was injured. This is for diagnosis step and this is the home button. Click on the home button. It will redirect you on a overview page. That's all about National Electronic Injury Surveillance System dashboard. Thank you for giving your precious time to watch this video.